I remember the open day for UCC when I was in sixth year, and I was so excited to come in. I remember just getting up on that morning and the mixture of nerves and excitement. Coming in the main gates of UCC, you see the water and the trees everywhere and how green the campus is. I just remember there were so many stalls and people to greet us. There were so many people there from clubs and societies and from the different degrees that you could study. I think that was the first day that I realised it's not just a university, there's a whole world there that you can get into and really learn more about yourself. I remember I was so excited to go to UCC. I thought it would be a good idea to sneak into one of the lectures before I came here as a student and just thinking, wow, this is incredible. I just knew at that time that I was in the right place and it was going to be the right place for me to study my degree. I really recommend that you go to the UCC Open Day on Saturday, the 14th of October.